So, hello. This is new video about low suction of differential pressure in our low suction sea chest. Underneath is engine watchkeeping, and this is for me. This is one of the easiest scenario there is. So let's start with the scenario. So we're running. We only have 10 minutes to
You will
fulfill
have 10 minutes to fulfill the
the
assessment.
assessment. So in engine watchkeeping, basically all you have to do is observe the abnormal parameter here in this filter. And as you can see, our pressure here in our main seawater pumps is at 1.68 bars. This is the normal pressure that we should have. And also here you can see 0.21 ang ato differential pressure. So we're still at the normal range. Like I said, this is one of the easiest scenario is because we only gonna be needing this page or the MD01 or seawater system. This is the only page that we need to be. Just observe. Okay.
Warning,
So
fluctuating
here
sea
we
chest
have our
differential
first
pressure.
warning. Fluctuating sea chest differential pressure. Before you clean this filter, we need to open first the high sea suction and then close the low suction and go to this last M or malfunction page. You can see here the low suction CHS filter is dirty, and then click that multiple times to reset. For me, I like to be sure, so I click it on multiple times. Only the low suction CHS, then after that open, then close again. You need to make sure that at least one of this suction is open when you close the other so that the pressure build up won't affect your score. Okay, still nothing. You're just gonna be waiting for our alarm or malfunction. That's it. So as a an engine watchkeeper, we need to be vigilant with our parameters. So especially the pressure build up or here, for example.
Warning,
So
high
warning, high
differential
differential
pressure,
pressure and
dirty
30
sea
C
chest.
chest. So same problem. So close, reset, then open again.
Warning, high differential pressure,
Okay,
dirty sea chest.
close again, reset. Ito yung may problema eh. Just do that.
Warning, high differential pressure, dirty
Just
sea
close,
chest.
then reset again. Just do that to ensure that your filter is clean. Even though it keeps telling you that the high C chest or the high it is in abnormal pressure difference. So it mentioned there in another reset.
Warning, plastics blocking the low sea
So
chest
plastic
filter.
blocking low C
Remove and
chest
clean the
filter.
blocked sea chest.
Okay, so this is the different function. Here you can just look for the low sea chest blocked by plastic. Just click it multiple times to reset. Oh, I forgot. It doesn't matter. Still, it's close again. So you have a normal um, pressure difference. If you want to be safe so that your score is being recorded, just play a little bit. Just reset the three. There's no harm done, just to make sure. Pero sa totoong buhay na talaga, follow procedures talaga tayo. Basically, 6 minutes na tayo. So far, yun lang talaga yung mga malfunction na ma-encounter natin. Yun lang talaga. And like I said, this is one of the easiest scenario there is. And in a short period of time. So we're almost over. So again, do not exit the scenario unless it's time. It will affect your score if you exit early. So we still have a normal differential pressure here and a low suction sea chest. So that's good. I'm sorry for the noise. So we're almost done with this scenario.
Your 10 minutes has been fully consumed.
So we're done.
Stop assessment.
And I hope this video helped you with your assessment. Bye.